How to make free PayPal money. The internet has brought with it many advancements in humanity's way of making a living. Amazing financial platforms such as PayPal have come up as a result of the e-commerce that has grown over the last 20 years, and therefore it has made it easier for people to make money freely from their computers. You may be wondering which ways you can make money freely with PayPal, and I am happy to tell you that you don't have to worry about that anymore, because in this video, I'm going to exhaust the different types of ways you can make free PayPal money. Make sure to stick till the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything. Free money? Is it actually true that you can get free money sent to your PayPal account just like that? Well, technically it would be hard to find a company or someone who sends you money randomly unless they were a philanthropist or something. I know you may be asking yourself, this guy just said he is going to show me how to make free money on PayPal, and now he's talking about how no one can send me money for free. My friend, chill. I got you, bro or sis. Since we all know that it would be hard to find someone to send you money freely, the reason I stated that you can make free PayPal money is that there are actually methods that are super simple to follow that I can just consider to be literally just free money rolling to your PayPal account. These methods don't require any major effort, and anyone, including you, can do them without any major skills. Now, let's dive into the right method I am talking about. Oh, and before we look at them, I hope you have your PayPal account set up and active so that you can just begin making your free money immediately after watching this video. 1. Get free money by walking. Do you always walk? That's stupid for me to ask. I bet you do. You probably walk a couple of steps to get yourself something to munch while watching this video, or you may have walked a couple of steps while going to say hi to your mates a couple of blocks away. Now, I have a great news for you. You can get paid free money on PayPal while walking on the places that you want to go. How is this possible? Well, there is this app called Swagbucks, which upon installations on your phone, it will track your movement and rewards you with Swagbucks. You can redeem the Swagbucks you have earned into PayPal money. How cool is that? Isn't that just free money? The app is available on Google Play and App Store, which means everyone can download the app and begin making their money. If you may not walk as much but have a dog or your neighbor has one, you can tie up your phone to the dog so the dog does all the walking for you while you sleep at home. That's making free PayPal money in your sleep, baby! Just make sure your phone doesn't get stolen from the dog. 2. Get cashback for shopping with Rakuten. E-commerce has grown and therefore many things have come up to make shopping online more fun. One thing that is more amazing is that you can make free PayPal money for shopping for your products at your favorite online store. How is this possible? This method is possible with the help of Rakuten, a shopping app with as many as 2,000 retailers featured in it. To get your free PayPal money from Rakuten, you just need to easily sign up with them and then visit the site you would like to purchase from. Once you purchase a product, your transactions will be tracked and your cashback, which by the way can always range between $5 to $30 for purchases above $30, will get deposited into your account. To get your cashback straight into your PayPal account, you will need to have reached a minimum threshold of $5.01. So remember to use Rakuten when you buy stuff so you can get your free PayPal money. 3. Get free PayPal money for giving your opinion on Swagbucks. Did you know that someone can listen to your opinion and pay you for it? Well, that is very much possible and anyone, including you, can do it. You can earn free PayPal money by giving your opinions on surveys hosted on Swagbucks. Swagbucks is widely known to be trustworthy with reports showing that as of Q4 of 2021, they had given out up to $740 million to their members. The good thing with Swagbucks is that you can make money doing more stuff, such as playing games or even watching videos. To get your earning from Swagbucks, you can easily have them sent straight to your PayPal account. Keep in mind that the minimum withdrawal from your Swagbucks account to PayPal is $5. 4. Get free PayPal money for giving your opinion on Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is another good website for making free PayPal money. If you want to focus mainly on doing surveys, Survey Junkie may be the best options since they have multiple surveys available to do daily, so you are sure to get something every day. The survey on Survey Junkie mainly focuses on research about consumer products, which mean you'll be helping brands make better products for us. Survey Junkie pays their members easily through gift cards, bank transfers, and your favorite PayPal Cash. You can withdraw your earnings from Survey Junkie once they get to the $10 threshold. 5. Get cashback for shopping with Drop. Do you remember me talking about earning free PayPal money by getting cashback using Rakuten? Well, if you don't like using Rakuten, you can use Drop, which offers the same cashback offer. Just like Rakuten, when you buy stuff using their app, you will get cashback for the amount of things you buy. The only downside Drop has is that you can only get your free money after hitting the $25 threshold. But that doesn't matter since you will eventually get your free money. 6. Earn free PayPal money by watching ads. We all see ads everywhere on social media, whether we like them or not. But what if you could watch ads just like you have been watching them on social media and earn free PayPal money while doing that? Well, that is very much possible thanks to Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a site that pays its members to watch ads, after which you earn points in your Price Rebel account. The more time you spend doing tasks on Price Rebel, the higher your level increase, which means more free money. The points you earn on Price Rebel can be redeemed straight into your PayPal account once they reach the minimum threshold of $5, after which it takes up to 24 hours for the free money to land to your PayPal account. 7. Earn free PayPal money by playing skill games, Blackout Bingo games. If you enjoy gaming and want to earn some free PayPal money while doing it, you can learn how to play the Blackout Bingo game offered by the Skill Games platform, after which you can have the chance to play the game and get yourself some free money. Making money while enjoying yourself playing a fun game, isn't that cool? You can withdraw your earnings from playing Blackout Bingo straight to your PayPal account. 8. Earning free money by testing apps and websites. Another way of making free PayPal money is by testing apps and websites. There are developers out there who want to get their apps tested for their performances before they get released to the public, and you can become one of the people to test for them whether the apps or websites do what they are required to do. This can be easily done by using User Setting, which is a website that pays you to test different apps and websites. Testing apps and websites can take up to like 20 minutes, after which you are eligible to earn $10. Your money can easily be sent to your PayPal account. 9. Earn free money for showing your grocery shopping receipt. The same way you can make free PayPal money by getting cashbacks when you shop online, you can also earn money by shopping for groceries. This can be done thanks to Ibotta, a grocery cashback app based in the US. It operates by providing you offers on groceries. When you choose an offer on the app and then purchase the item from the store, the only thing you will need to do is to upload your receipt on the app to earn your cashback. You can get your cashback straight to your PayPal account. Ibotta has paid its users $682 million, so you are sure to make some free PayPal money from it. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of the methods mentioned would you like to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos like this.